Hello, Lauren. Got your 2.06 project turned in, so let's take a look at it together. All right, here's your template from Google Classroom. So, wish list, let's eat, other adventure. Oh, I don't see any pseudocode, so I don't know which one of the choices you've made yet because there's nothing there. Let's take a look at your code. I don't see a copy of your code either. I don't see a screenshot of your output, so I don't know what you chose. And all your questions are blank that you're supposed to answer after you do your program. Let's see, you did turn in a zip file. So I have extracted the code from the zip file. So let's take a look at what you gave me in a zip file. Okay, so you have your name, date, purpose. I don't see your main function. You're supposed to have define main at the beginning of your program. You have to define your main function. You didn't define any function. You just started here. So let's run it and see what happens. What's the name of the first item you want? A game. How much that cost? Well, I'm pretty expensive, so probably like $70. What's the name of the second item you want? I'll say a coat, like a new leather coat. So that'd be like $300. Nice leather coat. What's the name of the third item you want? Let's say a weird, weird Al Chia pet. And I'm guessing they cost like $25. Christmas coming up. What do you want for Christmas? A game for $70, coat for $300, a Weird Al Chia pet for $25 for a total of $395. Tax would be $25.67. Let's check that. That looks right. Well, let's pull up a calculator real quick. If it's $395 times 6.5%, $25.67. That's perfect. And then shipping was $5.99. You add all those together, $424, $26.60. Okay, so that's all perfect. This is great. You got they enter three items with the prices. You subtotal it. You give them the tax and shipping with a grand total. So that all looks great. You just didn't have your main function in there because pretty soon we're going to start defining other functions. So you have to have your main function, and you're missing everything on here. You're missing all the pseudocode. You're missing the screenshot of your output, which your output worked great, and you didn't answer any of the questions afterwards. So just a few missing things in there that pay attention. Make sure when you turn these things in that you've done everything. That template I give you is like the parameters of your program. Like if you're working for a government agency or some company that hired you as a programmer, here's the parameters of the program. So you got to go through there and make sure you've met all the requirements and done everything, including that pseudocode and the post-mortem review, where after you write your program, you document what problems you had or what you could change next time and all that kind of good stuff. So great job on the program itself. Not so great on turning in everything that goes with the program. So work on that. But looks like you're understanding the programming part really well. So except that define main. All right, we'll see you in class.